Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Chatify English.
Hi everyone, I'm Mark, and today... Oh, wow, Jane, are you okay? You look a little pale.
Yes, I'm fine. I promise.
Are you sure? Because today's topic is very interesting.
Tell them, Mark.
Today, we are going to the doctor.
Oh no, the doctor. Really?
Yes,
Why the doctor?
because a lot of English learners get nervous when they go to a doctor in another country.
That's true. Even I get nervous in my own language.
Same. But today we will make it easy, simple, and maybe even fun.
Fun at the doctor? That's impossible.
Challenge accepted. Let's begin. Imagine this. You wake up with a headache. Your throat hurts. You need a doctor.
But you don't know what to say in English.
No problem. After today, you will speak like a pro.
Let's go.
Today we will practice making a doctor's appointment, talking about symptoms, useful medical vocabulary, doctor-patient conversations, medicine instructions, simple health advice.
All in very easy English, so beginners can understand everything.
Yes, and we will repeat the phrases slowly.
And we will have some funny moments too.
Of course.
So, Mark, how do I make a doctor appointment in English?
Good question. Let's roleplay it. Good morning, City Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Sure. What's your name?
My name is Jane Taylor.
Okay, Jane, what seems to be the problem?
I have a sore throat and a fever.
Do you prefer morning or afternoon?
Morning, please.
Okay, we have 10:30 a.m.
That's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you then.
That was simple.
Exactly. Key phrases. I'd like to make an appointment. What seems to be the problem? I have a sore throat. Do you prefer morning or afternoon?
Very easy and useful. Okay, Mark. I arrive at the clinic. What do I say?
Let's act it out.
Hello. I have an appointment at 10:30.
What's your name?
Jane Taylor.
Please have a seat. The doctor will see you soon. Important phrases. I have an appointment. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Easy and polite.
Hello, Jane. I'm Dr. Anderson. How are you today?
Not so good.
What's wrong?
I have a headache, a sore throat, and I feel tired.
How long have you felt this way?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a cough?
No, not really. Mark, what vocabulary did we use?
Great question. We used headache, sore throat, fever, cough, tired since yesterday.
Very easy words for beginners.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not.
Do you take any medication now?
No, nothing.
Does anything make the pain worse?
Talking.
Does anything make it better?
Drinking warm tea.
Good. Useful questions doctors ask. Are you allergic to anything? Do you take any medication? Does the pain get worse? Does the pain get better?
These are very common and very useful.
Okay, Jane, let me take your temperature.
Okay.
You have a mild fever.
Oh no.
Don't worry, it's just a throat infection.
Just? It feels like I'm dying.
Trust me, you will survive. I'll give you some medicine.
What kind of medicine?
Painkillers and antibiotics.
Antibiotics?
Yes, take one pill 3 times a day after meals.
After meals. Got it.
And drink a lot of water.
Okay.
And rest.
Rest? I love that prescription.
I know. Important vocabulary. Painkillers. Medicine for pain. Antibiotics. Medicine for infection. Pill. Tablet. 3 times a day after meals.
Very practical. What if I forget to take the medicine?
Take it as soon as you remember.
And if the pain gets worse?
Come back to the clinic.
And if I feel sleepy after the medicine?
That's normal. Drink water and rest. Common questions to ask your doctor. What if I forget a dose? What if the pain gets worse? Are there any side effects? Can I go to work?
Yes, very helpful. Mark, Do doctors get annoyed when we ask many questions?
No, doctors love questions.
Even if I ask 100 questions?
Well, maybe not 100.
So 99 is okay?
Sure. Okay, Jane, take your medicine and rest.
Thank you, doctor.
Get well soon.
I hope so.
Hello, how can I help you?
I need these medicines, please.
Okay, here you go.
How do I take them?
1 pill 3 times a day.
Thank you. What did we learn here?
I need this medicine. How do I take it? 1 pill 3 times a day. Let's review everything.
Okay. Making an appointment, talking about symptoms, pain vocabulary, doctor questions, medicine instructions, pharmacy conversation. That's a lot.
Yes, and very useful.
Now, your challenge.
Write a sentence in the comments. What symptoms do you know in English?
Headache, fever, cough. Tell us.
We read every comment.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Subscribe to our channel
click the like button.
and share this video with a friend learning English.
It helps our channel so much.
Take care of your health.
Drink water
Sleep well.
and practice English every day.
See you in the next episode of Chatify English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. So, Jane, it has been 3 days.
Yes, 3 long days with medicine.
Did you take your pills 3 times a day?
Yes, I took them after breakfast, after lunch, and after dinner.
Good job.
But Mark, I still feel a little tired.
That's normal. When you are sick, your body works very hard.
Yes, my body is working more than me.
Hello, Jane. Good to see you again.
Hello, doctor. I feel better, but I'm still tired.
Do you still have a fever?
No, no fever.
Any sore throat?
Just a little.
Any headache?
Only in the morning.
Good. That means you are recovering. Recovering means getting better.
Oh, I like that word. Recovering.
Let me check your pulse.
Pulse? What is that?
Your pulse is your heartbeat, how fast your heart beats.
Oh, okay.
Your pulse is normal. Now I will check your blood pressure.
Blood pressure always scares me.
Don't worry, it's easy.
Okay.
Good news. Your blood pressure is perfect.
Yes, I win.
Now I'll check your temperature again.
Am I still hot?
Yes, but not in a medical way.
Oh my God, Mark.
Your temperature is normal now. New words you learned. Recover, get better. Pulse, your heartbeat. Rate, blood pressure, pressure in your blood vessels. Normal, healthy, okay. Temperature, body heat.
These are very common at the doctor. Very useful.
Jane, you are getting better, but you still need rest.
More rest.
Yes, and drink warm liquids.
Like tea.
Yes, tea, soup, warm water.
What about cold ice cream?
No,
Why?
because cold foods can irritate your throat.
But I love ice cream.
You can eat ice cream when you feel better.
Okay, I will survive.
Jane, how is your throat pain now?
Maybe a 3 out of 10.
Good. It was 8 out of 10 before.
Yes, I wanted to cry.
Pain scale phrases. It hurts a little. It hurts a lot. It's very painful. It's mild, small. It's severe, strong.
Very beginner-friendly phrases. Mark, what are the most common symptoms people say?
Great question. The most common are, I feel dizzy. I feel weak. I feel nauseous. Want to vomit. I have a runny nose. I have a blocked nose. I have chest pain. My stomach hurts.
Wow, so many new words.
Let's practice 3 easy ones.
Okay,
Dizzy,
dizzy,
runny nose,
runny nose,
stomachache.
stomachache.
Perfect.
Dr. Mark, I think I have all the symptoms.
All?
Yes, my head hurts, my nose hurts, my finger hurts, my hair hurts.
Your hair hurts?
Yes, It's very serious.
Jane, hair cannot hurt.
Are you sure?
100% sure.
Okay, then only my finger hurts.
Why?
I hit it on the table.
Jane, you have improved a lot.
Yay!
Continue the medicine for 2 more days.
2 days. Got it.
Sleep early.
Okay.
Drink water every hour.
Every hour?
Yes,
What if I need to go to the bathroom every 10 minutes?
that means it's working.
Oh, great. Mark, can you teach more pharmacy words?
Of course. Syrup, liquid medicine. Ointment, cream for skin. Drops, small liquid amounts for eyes or nose. Prescription, paper from the doctor. Dosage, how much medicine to take.
These are difficult, but important.
Jane, what is the best everyday health advice?
Drink water,
Yes.
sleep well,
Yes.
eat vegetables,
Yes.
stop eating ice cream when sick.
Good.
I hate that rule.
Let's do a quick, fun practice.
Okay,
I will say a symptom. You pretend to be the patient.
all right.
Headache,
I have a headache.
fever,
I have a fever.
stomachache,
My stomach hurts.
cold,
I feel cold.
toothache.
My tooth hurts.
Perfect.
Wow, we learned so much.
Yes, let's review. Making appointments, describing symptoms, doctor questions, medicine vocabulary, pain levels, pharmacy vocabulary, health advice.
This is perfect for beginners.
Now your turn.
Yes, write in the comments, what symptoms do you find difficult to say in English?
Headache, fever, dizziness.
Tell us and we will help you. If you enjoyed part 2,
Like the video
subscribe to our channel.
and share with a friend learning English.
It helps so much.
Take care of your health.
And your English.
See you.
Bye everyone.